Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Verify the charger is HP certified and matches your Chromebook's power spec. Incompatible USB-C chargers can trickle or fail. Next, unplug everything and visually inspect the USB-C or barrel port cable, an adapter for lint, bent pins, or damage. Once done, plug into a known working outlet and try a spare compatible charger if possible. This isolates adapter versus device failure before deeper steps. Once hardware looks fine, reset the Chromebook's power logic. Hold refresh and power for about 10 seconds to force a hardware restart. After it boots, open settings and review battery and power options and check for pending firmware updates that fix charging issues. If the problem persists, sign into guest or recovery to rule out software conflicts. Extensions or corrupted user states can report false battery levels and stop normal charging behavior. Now handle advanced fixes. Power down and remove any external devices that could draw current, and if your model allows, carefully disconnect and reseat the internal battery and DC in board to clear loose connections. Use crash battery test or built-in diagnostics to check capacity and cycle count. Severe degradation or a faulty DC in board shows here. If you still see no charge, arrange HP support or a repair center for DC in port or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.